Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at a serious upgrade for any kitchen, the Hauslane 30-inch under cabinet range hood, Chef Series PS18 in black stainless steel. If you cook regularly, you already know how smoke, oil fumes, grease, and strong smells slowly destroy your kitchen walls, cabinets, and even your lungs. A good range hood is not a luxury, it's a health and hygiene necessity. Now let's talk about what makes this Hauslane hood special. First, design. This is a 30-inch under cabinet range hood with a beautiful black stainless steel finish that looks premium and modern. It fits perfectly in most standard kitchens and instantly upgrades the look of your cooking area. Second, powerful suction. This hood is designed for serious cooking. Whether you are frying, grilling, or cooking spicy food, it efficiently pulls out smoke, steam, heat, and grease before they spread across your kitchen. Third, the 5-layer filtration system. This is extremely important. It traps oil particles, grease, smoke, odors, and airborne pollutants. This means cleaner air, cleaner walls, and less cleaning work for you. Next, quiet operation. Despite being powerful, it runs smoothly and quietly, so you don't feel like a helicopter is taking off in your kitchen. Another great feature is the bright LED lights. They give excellent visibility over your stove, making cooking safer and more comfortable, especially at night. This range hood is perfect for home kitchens, heavy cooking households, apartments and houses, anyone serious about clean air and hygiene. My final opinion? If you want a reliable, powerful, durable, and stylish kitchen vent hood, the Hauslane PS18 is absolutely worth it. Check the link in the description to get it. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking